In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort columns inside Google Sheets. Whether you're managing data for work or personal projects, being able to organize your information effectively can make a significant difference in your productivity. Now let's dive into the simple process of sorting columns in Google Sheets. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheet. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. Simply go to your Google Drive, where you can find your spreadsheet stored. Open the specific Google Sheet you want to work with. Once the sheet is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout and the data you plan to sort. In our example, we're working with column D, though you can, of course, apply these same steps to any column you choose. Next, move your mouse over to the header of column D and click to highlight it. By clicking on this column, you're selecting all data within that column, getting your data set ready for sorting. This step is crucial as it ensures that any operation you perform will be applied specifically to your chosen column. Now, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of your Google Sheets interface and locate the Data tab. Click on Data, which will open a drop-down menu featuring various data management options. This tab offers a variety of tools for manipulating the data within your spreadsheet. From the drop-down menu, find and select Sort Sheet. At this point, you need to choose how you want to sort the data. Google Sheets provides options to sort your sheet by ascending and descending order. In this guide, we will be sorting the sheet by column D, specifically from Z to A, which means the data will be sorted in descending order. After selecting Sort Sheet by column D, Z to A, Google Sheets will go ahead and reorder all the data in your spreadsheet based on the contents of column D. Sorting in descending order is often useful for prioritizing data, like when you want to see the largest numbers or most recent dates at the top of your list. And there you have it. You've successfully sorted your column within Google Sheets. Remember that sorting data can affect the entire sheet, so make sure that if you're working within a larger data set, you're aware of how the sort order might impact the alignment of your rows. Keeping a backup of your data before extensive modifications is always a good practice. That covers our tutorial on sorting columns in Google Sheets. This simple method can be incredibly powerful, allowing you to quickly organize and manipulate your data with just a few clicks. Thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing your digital workspace.